we have issued a booklet which gives details of the new automatic toaster we have just put on the market. You can secure a copy of this booklet as well as our latest catalog by writing for them. We make absolutely no charge. I have submitted an estimate for doing the job, but they have not yet notified me that they will accept my bid. This item is listed in the catalog at 4 guineas. If you remit in 5 days, you can deduct 2%. We have not yet received the goods invoiced by you on 4th May. We hope that you will get them to us by next Tuesday at the latest, as we are quite out of stock of some of these items. Why has the firm kept us waiting for the steel sheets? They stated in a recent note that the sheets had actually left the factory. If they did ship them when they said the sheets should have arrived by now.